Guys, we have crazy news. A super AI crypto has been formed. What for? Not entirely sure. But Fetch AI, AGIX, Ocean Protocol have fused together. Their power levels have completely erupted multiple times, and they're going to be making a whole new crypto. What's happening is the new crypto will have like a supply of 2.78 million or something like that, and a new value of like around the same amount. The total market cap eventually of this new crypto will be about $7.6 billion. That's right, $7.6 billion. And that's going to be surpassing the additive value of all their market caps right now. It will put them around the top 20. And despite it being $7.6 billion or so market cap, it still has a lot of potential. It will be past RNDR, which I believe is the biggest AI coin right now. But these three fused together want to lay the groundwork for a truly new, frightening AI crypto. So that might be part of the reason they've been surging up right now. Now, AGIX, I'm pretty familiar with. It's more of like an AI marketplace. And I think that's kind of what they're going after with their new project. According to a press release seen by Crypto Potato, Fetch AI, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol will merge their tokens. Their power levels will combine and multiply by 50 into the new coin called ASI, owned by Super Intelligence Collective, creating one of the largest open source independent players in the AI research and development. Fetch AI is a firm building and decentralized multi-agent platform for deploying AI applications. SNAP provides a blockchain-based AI marketplace. That's the one I'm most familiar with. Ocean, on the other hand, is a decentralized privacy provisioning platform for data exchange. I believe Fetch's coins might be traded 1-to-1 with this new coin. I think AGIX is like 0.046. Either way, you're basically getting a 1-to-1 dollar ratio of the old coins to the new coins. And I do think this could be really, really good for the crypto. Now, I don't really know if the ROI potential of the new coin will be quite as high as the ROI potential of the old coins, because despite them fusing and combining resources, remember, the market cap is a lot higher, and there is kind of a limit on the market cap of a certain coin. Once you get into the high tens of billions, hundreds of billions, then it will definitely slow down if it gets there. But this could be the preeminent and dominant AI crypto in the marketplace. So it reaching 100 billion would not surprise me, which is roughly 13x. Now, did I think AGIX and Ocean Protocol by themselves would actually get more than 13x potential? Probably. But the thing is, I think there's more of a chance they'll achieve it now with the kind of like fused company rather than by themselves. At least it will get a lot more hype, and it could actually lead to more direct gains in the short term, even though the potential for a $7 billion crypto to multiply multiple times over might be less than the potential for a smaller coin. But anyways, it's a very good progress in terms of AI for crypto. The alliance between the trio seeks to foster progress, decentralized AGI, and find the next step in ASI. They intend to create an alternative to big tech's control over AI development, use, and monetization. The firm's founders, Humayun Shika bin Gortzel, which is the AGIX guy, Bruce Pond, and Trent McConnery, are the early adopters of AI and are focused on making AGI a reality. They will create a decentralized AI infrastructure and attract investment into AGI. So, decentralized AI infrastructure, I'm still kind of unclear about that. I think what they're doing is saying like, we're going to make a giant GPU farm, because that's basically the brains that power a big AI infrastructure. I think most of you that are familiar with artificial intelligence will kind of know what that is. As long as you have enough computing power, you can get AI to do a lot of stuff. So like, the three companies will submit the token merge proposal to their respective governance members on March 27th for a 14-day consideration period, and there will be a vote. I'm wondering how this vote will come out. My guess is they've done a lot of convincing to their respective governance councils, but I do think basically coin holders will get to vote. Community members will vote on each governance platform from April 2nd to the 16th. So I wonder what happens if one of these votes falls below. Upon approval of the proposals, assuming that they get approved, Fetch will become ASI with a total supply of 2.63 billion tokens and a starting price of 282. AGIX will migrate to ASI at a conversion rate of 0.43350 to 1, and Ocean will do the same at a rate of 0.433226 to 1. In the end, ASI will have a valuation of $7.5 million. So, very, very nice. Afterwards, the Superintelligence Collective will form a governing council comprising Sheik as the chairman and Grotzel as the CEO. So, yeah, very, very interesting. It looks like the CEO is going to be the AGIX guy. He might actually be he honestly might be, I would think, the most technically inclined. And if you look at the prices of AGIX and them, they kind of flow about like the same. Like the ratios are about right. You're not going to gain any or lose any based on this proposal right now. Of course, these are the numbers based on right now. If AGIX goes way up in the following weeks, they might have to change those numbers because then it'll be too lopsided. They're based on the prices right now. So this is a very, very interesting fusion of companies and really a spark in the AI market in crypto. Now, I still want to see what final product they use. They're really trying to get like the decentralized computing. So I guess it's going to be like decentralized storage, kind of like SETI at home, in kind of like decentralized computing. If you did like SETI at home folding, you download a little client onto your computer and basically that perform calculations. My guess is this will be like that, but they will actually give out tokens or rewards for those that actually do something like this. Because obviously, if they want to borrow someone's computing power in terms of GPUs, they're going to have to compensate them. So this is going to be very, very interesting. I think it is a lot like what AGIX is trying to do, but now with a lot more resources and a much, much bigger team. I want to see what rewards come out of this. I want to see what products come out of this. And I want to see if they really start to dominate the AI market, as it is very, very difficult to compete with forces like NVIDIA and Intel when it comes to these things. But the AI market is very hot. I think they won't have too much trouble attracting investors because investors are like basically drooling for AI investments. And crypto is still a pretty hot thing despite all regulatory fears. So yeah, this is going to be extremely interesting as a project. And like I said, you're not losing any money if you're doing Fetch, AGIX, and Ocean. And I do think like the possibility of this succeeding now is much higher than before. Honestly, I did not see this coming. I was looking at all these individual AI projects by themselves. I did not think the three of them would come together in such an earth-shaking manner. And this caught me and most investors completely by surprise. However, like Fetch AI and AGIX are very, very well known. Ocean, I think, was a little bit less well known, but they were pretty big a few years ago, and then they kind of like tapered off in terms of prestige, I suppose. But this kind of like brings them back into the fold. And I definitely think with NVIDIA's like success recently, with the rise of like things like ChatGPT and like, Grok and, whatever Google's thing is called, I just forgot at this moment. I do think this will light like kind of like a new thing for crypto. And this one might be, after this coin lands, since its market cap isn't ludicrously high, like, when ICP debuted, I think it can actually rise a lot in terms of market cap. I usually wouldn't think a $7 billion coin could actually flip over 10x, but I do believe this one definitely has that chance, especially with the three of them combined. I think they can strike some really, really big deals with AI partnerships, maybe even NVIDIA, maybe Intel, maybe some of these big companies that actually will get use from the distributed calculation, like graphics cards power that these guys have. Because it's not a new concept, because like I said, SETI at home, folding thing have done this far in the past, but I think this is the first time it's going to be on blockchain. Not really sure which blockchain it's going to be on. There's still a lot of details that have yet to be revealed on this project, but it is a very, very exciting project. And you should, especially if you're in AI, and you haven't already invested in Fetch, Singularity Net, or Ocean Protocol, you should definitely look to portion part of your budget in this if you're looking at the AI crypto world. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.